how to automatically number rows in Google Sheets. So if you want to automatically number rows in your Google Sheets, then first you need to open up your Google and you need to open up your Sheets. Go with the Google apps and then go with Sheets. Once you're on your Google Sheets, you can go with a blank spreadsheet or you can also go with an existing one. Now, once you open up your Google Sheets, here you will have your sheets like this, right? So if you want to automatically number the rows in your Google Sheets, then let's start. You can go with 1, 2, and once you've done with the 2, you need to just select these and then drag all the way down and you will get this kind of interface. So if you didn't understand, then it's like you need to select these two and you need to go with a point which is on the bottom right and you will have plus shaped icon. You need to drag that and you will automatically number the rows in your Google Sheets. It also works with the odd or even numbers or any other kind of numbers. Like, for example, if I go with 3 and then with 5, now select these and then drag again. So that's how you can automatically number rows in your Google Sheets. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.